If it wasn't for the tough, they would take me down with a witchcraft. Return to center, hear me down. I know you fake fucks, smile in my face, rather see me suffer. What I've been through only made me tougher. In the rougher from the edges, you played my off. Kalashnikov, vocal cords, stay strong, yelling force. And if I swerve left, bring it right back, right, of course. Straight from the source, right at the whole horse. These mouths, these are brilliant defense. Here to brighten the place, like the last lamp lighter in France. Cover tents, not once went. Lower your ends, why the pretend fakeness in old forms is what we against. Get a second chance after fucking up his demands, like resurrecting greatness from the patents. Giving many thanks cause they are free at last, quick to escape fast while we build the bars. Carry hours and we sanitize, cause not all space being property, and that's a reality that's hard to see. Cause not all space being property, and that's a reality that's hard to see. Everybody know I'll shift is the pro, and they all bear witness.